Okay, guys, we're going back into the archives 4 years ago from when we bought Dale the truck, and this is the video on the journey to upstate New York from Canada to get this truck and bring it home. So let's take a look. So it doesn't take long to be getting on the road and things are going smoothly, and all of a sudden your passenger wiper flies off and you can't find it. So we're going to take a run up the side of the road here and see if we can't find our wiper blade. We're only about 10 miles out of town. Well, we've ended our search, so we're only, what, 80 miles to Bangor? So we'll just stop in Bangor at a AutoZone or Pet Boys or something like that and see if we can't find another one. Well, let's see if I can do a better job at this than Dad. It clicked. There, on the road again. Oh yeah, we just put these wheels on. You want to fall off going down the interstate?
Or did they move at all?
No.
No.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it has been a long drive today. So we are just leaving the hotel here now in Rutland, and we're heading over to Applebee's, where we are going to meet up with Kip from America Bumper to Bumper and his wife and enjoy some good food there and some great company. So it was a great dinner at Applebee's as always, and with great company. Kip and Kathy, thank you so much for joining us. It was an absolute pleasure to sit and chat with you guys once again. So guys, next time we pick up the video, we are going to be at the U-Haul picking up the trailer and then on our way to Gabriel's, New York to pick up this project. So we'll see you there. Well, good morning folks. It is early here in Rutland, Vermont. A little bit of frost on the windshield. We're going to get the truck warmed up while we check out, and then we're heading up to U-Haul and grab some breakfast. Then we'll be on the road to our new project.
So, he got out of the truck because he needs to stretch. So, Mr. Carr,
Yes,
how was that drive down off the mountain?
that was stressful. I won't lie, like I got my armpits all sweaty now. That was about, I don't know how long we were on that road, but it was 10 miles of up and down a mountain pass that was barely wide enough for a goat path, goat wagon, horse wagon, whatever.
And we're in some town that, I mean,
Elizabethtown, this is what this is called.
Elizabethtown? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a cute little mountainous type town. They got redneck still.
Anyways, according to the GPS, we're 47 miles or 1 hour from our destination. So we are going to keep on trucking. We've got to find a place to use the bathroom.
Yeah, I gotta make my wee-wees.
Anyways, onward. I think maybe I'm relying on the GPS a little too heavily, but this is where it's got us. In the woods, no power poles, not a very well-traveled road. I mean, it's snow-covered and it's a little bit icy. Although it's telling me I'm 3 minutes from my destination, might be having my doubts.
I don't think so.
Okay guys, we finally made it. We found this guy's house. A little bit out of the way. The roads are horrible up here as far as being snow covered and ice packed, very, very slippery. But we managed to get the trailer, as you can see, backed into the yard, and this project is everything and more that I wanted it to be. I'm sure you can hear it. I'm staring right at it. Guys, now it is time to reveal to you the new project for the channel. have it, guys. This is my new 1977 C10. Now this is a heavy half-ton truck. It's got the big leaf packs and the bigger differential in the rear. And we're gonna go all over this thing and tell you guys everything that I know about it. And I've got Mark here. Mark is the seller. Mark has represented this truck absolutely everything that I see here today. So that's one thing I can appreciate when buying vehicles, is when people absolutely tell you everything there is to know about their truck. So Mark, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
And I appreciate all your help and patience with making the deal, us getting here to New York and traveling these horrible icy roads today.
That's an added bonus to the truck.
Well, there you go. So it's all about the experience. So what I want to be able to do with this truck is build it as part of this channel and have different goals in mind with, you know, the patina of the truck, with the stance of the truck, with the engine and transmission, and different things about this to make it a good 100% reliable daily driver and something that's comfortable to go on long trips with. Mark, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
And I appreciate everything that you've done for me. And now, guys, it's time to get this thing loaded up on the trailer. Let's go home, boys. As you can see, we have made it home. So now it is time to get this truck off the trailer. We'll take it inside and we're gonna get a closer look at the truck. So let's do it. So Junior's manhandling the camera and he said, do you suppose it'll start the first try? Well, we're gonna find out. Let's see if we can get in there. How many pumps, Junior?
3.
Can you imagine?
Oh.
A little cold-blooded, but hey. Sounds pretty good.
It does.
There she is, big 350 with a 350 trans. It's got AC, which is factory. Doesn't work, but we will figure that out. Got an interstate battery in it, and a 4-barrel carb, and I do believe that all of that is stock on this particular truck. So let's get a closer look at some of the imperfections on this beast. So the truck is not 100% rust free. The bottom of the box, like the ribs, the frame, all that stuff is absolutely solid. There's a few spots on the body that are rusty, so let me show you those now. So right here behind the rear wheels on both sides, rockers and cab corners have got holes, and the bottom of this front fender has got holes in it. The hood hinge is very, very stiff. On this side you don't notice it so much, but you come over here, and it's typical of these trucks, when the hood is fully closed, you get a gap right here. That's the leading edge of the hinge that when they're stiff, when you're pulling down that hood, it just wants to kink it right there. That should be a fairly easy fix once we get those hood springs kind of lubed up and working the way they should. You kind of give that a little push down and we'll be able to work with that. We come over here and this side of the fender is just starting to show some signs of age. Again, rocker panel, got a hole in it. Cab corner. And all of this stuff right here, this is all just tree grime. That will clean off really, really good, and underneath of that will be what I assume to be the original paint. And it does have the 4 rallies. Granted, I believe they're only the 7 inches, 7-inch rallies all the way around. And when we come around to the back, this has the right bumper on it as far as I'm concerned. Now this truck came with a ton of extras to go with it that he had, and obviously if he's selling the truck, he just doesn't need it anymore. So one of them is a step bumper, chrome step bumper. So there's it right there, and from what I can tell, it looks like it's still in pretty good shape. All the bumper brackets look like they're in good shape. So this is something that I'll probably sell because I do like this bumper better. There is a spare tailgate. This particular one here does have some issues. I'm assuming that there's rust down in behind that diamond plate. And when we open it up, there's rust all along the bottom here. No big deal. We can paint that to match this truck. Are we going to match the paint perfectly? Well, probably not, because this is, 40 plus years old. But I'm probably going to be going with a patina look on this truck anyway. So if the paint doesn't match, it's not the end of the world. So there's 2 brand new cab corners. In that box is rocker panels. In here is some extra, spare parts. There's a visor, there's some undercoating, all kinds of stuff. I don't know what this stuff is here. Tilt steering column. This truck right now doesn't have tilt, but it will because I'll install this new tilt steering column. And anything that I'm not using out of all these parts, I'll probably be able to sell and recoup some of my money. I'm thinking that that rear bumper, I'll likely be able to get maybe 100, 150 bucks out of that, maybe more. I don't know. I'll check to see what the market is on it. Inside that box is a brand new vinyl floor. This has got the carpet in it, which was part of the Scottsdale package. I'll probably keep it for now, but that's got a brand new carpet with underlay. So I don't know if I'll use that or not. I do like the carpet. Maybe I'll replace this carpet with new carpet. That will likely go up for sale as well. As I showed you earlier, it is a factory AC truck. By the looks of things, it's full of gas. It does have the AM radio, not AM and FM, just AM, which at some point I'll probably replace with something more modern that will fit in that same hole. Anyway, I know there's a couple of companies out there that make them with Bluetooth and auxiliary and all that stuff, which is probably more my style. The finish on this truck is not bad. It is missing just one piece of trim along the top here. I will be looking for that to replace it. And it does have some marks and some dings and some scratches, but you know what, as far as I'm concerned, that is what's going to make the look of this truck. I will be doing a faux tina or a faux patina paint job of some sort on this truck. It won't even be a paint job. It'll just be distressing it to look like it's been sitting out a lot longer than it has. Anyways, there's the rundown on this 77 Scottsdale truck, and I cannot wait to be bringing you guys some more content on this. So this is going to end this one for now, and we will be back very shortly with another one, and I hope you guys are there. Spread the word. This is the direction that the channel is going in for now. We will still be doing videos on our other projects like the Volkswagen, Project Grandma, the Cordoba, but this will be the focus for a little while, at least till we get it to a point where we're doing some major repairs or major work on it. Anyways, having said all that, guys, stay focused on the windshield, not the rearview mirror. I love you all. God bless. We'll see you guys again in the next Chevy truck video.